how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you the chapter algebraic expressions and we were studying about multiplication of algebraic expressions and we have completed till question number 13. So we have to start from question number 14. So let me write the question for you. It is minus 3 upon 5 s square t multiplied by the next algebraic expression 15 upon 7 st square u, 15 upon 7 st square u, and the third algebraic expression is 7 upon 9 su square, 7 upon 9 su square. Okay students, so in total we have 3 algebraic expressions and only one is containing a negative sign. So 2 positives, 1 negatives, the final answer will be negative only. So first of all, let us multiply the coefficients of all the algebraic expressions separately and check whether anything can be reduced or not. So as we all can see that 7 ones are 7 ones are, 5 ones are 5 threes are, right? 3 ones are 3 threes are. Now 3 ones are 3 ones are. So only minus 1 is remaining because this negative sign is not going to go anywhere because there is only one negative sign. So minus 1 is remaining here. Now multiplying the literal factors. So s square पहले वाले में, second one is only having s, so s to the power of 1. t multiplied by t square, इसमें u नहीं है आपका first algebraic expression में, u multiplied by u square. So the final answer will be minus 1 s cube t cube u cube, which can be written as s cube t cube and u cube. Sorry, minus s cube t cube and u cube. Minus sign will be there since it was minus 1 over there. There were 3 s square, s and one more s was there, so it will be s to the power of 4. In the final answer it will be s to the power of 4 because 1, 2, 3, s square, s1, s1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So in the final answer it will be minus s4 t cube and u cube. So I hope you must have understood question number 14. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 15. Tomorrow is your revision test of the chapter rational numbers. So be prepared. It will be on Google Forms. It is compulsory to give the test. Now question number 15. So question number 15 is minus 2 upon 7 u to the power of 4 v multiplied by minus 14 upon 5 uv cube multiplied by minus 3 by 4 u square and v cube. Okay, minus 3 by 4 u square v cube. So students, the first step is to multiply all the coefficients together. Minus 2 by 7 multiplied by minus 14 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4. Two negatives cancelled, it became positive, but there is one more negative remaining, so the final answer will be negative. Now we have to check that whether it can be reduced or not. So let's check that it can be reduced or not. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now as I can see that nothing can be reduced now. It is 2 threes are, because it's minus 3, so minus 6, and 5 twos are, no, these two can also be reduced. I have done some mistake, let me do it again. Minus 2 upon 7 multiplied by minus 14 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. Now cancel the negative signs. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is remaining? Minus 3 upon 5 is remaining. What is remaining here? Minus 3 upon 5. Now multiply the literal factors. U to the power of 4 multiplied by U to the power of 1 multiplied by U to the power of 2. V to the power of 1 multiplied by V to the power of 3 multiplied by V to the power of 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So U to the power of 7, 4 plus 3, V to the power of 7. In the final answer, it will be U to the power of 7 and V to the power of 7. Minus 3 by 5, U to the power of 7, V to the power of 7. I hope you must have understood how I have solved this question, students. Now question number 16 is your homework. You have to do it in your maths homework copy. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 17. Let me solve it for you. Okay, so question number 17 is 4 upon 3 x square yz. Okay students, so let me write the question. Question number 17. 4 upon 3 x square yz multiplied by 1 by 3 y square zx multiplied by minus 6xyz. Okay, so the xyz square. So we have to multiply these three algebraic expressions. So first of all, we have to multiply all the coefficients of the three algebraic expressions. 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by minus 6, and we have to check that whether anything can be reduced or not. So as we all can see that what can be reduced, since there is no denominator, consider 1 as the denominator. 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6. So here it will be 4 2s are 8, so minus 8 upon 3 is remaining. Now multiplying the literal factors, x square multiplied by x multiplied by x, y multiplied by y square multiplied by y, z multiplied by z multiplied by z square. One by one I have taken x square, then x and then x, y, y square, y, z, z and then z square. Now in multiplication all the powers are added and the number which is not having any power is considered as 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So x to the power of 4, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, y to the power of 4, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So z to the power of 4. So that is the final answer. So question number 15, question number 16 is your homework. I have solved 14, 15 and 17. So you are supposed to do these three questions in your maths classwork copy. And if there is any problem, any query, you can comment down in the comment section, students. Now in the next video we will be doing these questions 18, 19, 20, 21. So till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.